1000 here. So today we're going to take this big unloading truck back home, and the best thing is I'm taking you guys with me. Let's go. I'm recording. I'm going to record. Sorry. Do I need to sit up front?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Inside the truck?
I want to ride with Mama.
Ooh. Can I please?
Are we gonna watch a movie?
Can I? Just this one.
I never did ever.
I never did. I know. Okay.
We both can ride.
We can? Yes. Okay. Oh yeah, you can sit right there.
You can sit in the middle.
I know. I need more space though.
Wait, you need to come out then.
I know. Okay. I'm recording this. Yes. Finally, video of us driving and moving. So, yeah, that's good. This place is awesome.
Yeah.
Best view. I'll say that. How are you? Ah!
What's wrong?
Sunburn.
Ouch. That hurts, buddy.
I bent my back. Did you just buckle it up and buckle it back? Down and off? You need to buckle up, you know.
I know, but I don't know where my buckle is. I don't think I have a buckle.
Is there a buckle in the middle?
Oh, there it is.
If I was you, the one we're going to record while driving the big truck.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket
I
ship.
can't get in.
Don't step on it. Like, move it out of the way so that it's not.
You're welcome. I'm recording this. Finally, a video of us moving on the road.
Oh my goodness, I never did it.
What was that?
So exciting.
Yeah, this is so exciting. Did we shut the back?
Where they filmed the last scene in Nashville.
Okay.
Live life, love summer.
107.5 The River.
So, we are taking you guys with us to,
I love this
basically
song.
just to take the truck back. So, yeah, here we go.
Feel like new sunglasses, like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel
Mom, say hi.
taking chances. I feel a lot like 17.
That's my mom. She's going to be in my series from now on.
I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen, laughing. You take me right back when we were kids. That's all I feel.
It's awesome. This is so cool. Look at all the cars. Hey, Jogger. There's a guy with a skateboard. That was awesome. Skateboards are cool.
Much cooler. Very much cooler.
Look at all the pretty houses. Sing. Sing.
I feel like a young John Cusack, like making big
We can see all the stuff that's around our house, like the Citgo gas station. So yeah. Actually, it's a gas station. Okay, so let's go. New friends. Yeah, the house is
But-
awesome. The house is so awesome. It is. It is.
Like when you go like up there, like it's Christmas. It's like Sarah, like when like it was Christmas and like the Christmas tree.
Oh, damn, Sarah's house.
Yeah, and like we were up there looking down on the Christmas tree and like, hey, no way back.
I remember when we went to Aunt Sarah's house. That was fun.
And we watched Goosebumps. A lot of Goosebumps.
Did
And
you know
then
there's Goosebumps movie?
there is?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there is. It's on Netflix.
It is?
Yeah, it is.
I didn't know it was on Netflix. I had it. I bought it at Dollar General.
Guess what? I want to see Alice Through the Looking Glass because I love. You know how much
Yeah,
I
I
love
want to see Alice Through the Looking Glass.
And Wonderland. I love that movie so much.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like,
I also want to go see X-Men Apocalypse again.
I was gonna say, you already saw that.
I know. I want to go see Warcraft as well. That just seems awesome.
I want to see Finding Dory.
yes.
Oh yeah, I want to see Finding Dory so much. I love it.
It came out today.
It did?
Yep. It's in theaters.
Can we go watch it tomorrow?
No, we gotta unpack.
Oh yeah, that's right.
What?
We gotta unpack.
Oh yeah.
Everything's in boxes. You can't get to anything.
Hey, all friends, listen to Music Channel.
Live life. Love music.
107.5 The River.
I got this feeling inside my bones. Oh, it's together. I'm in my zone. Got that sunshine in my pocket. Your eyes are popping.
Yeah, he can't take his eyes off Finding Dory.
Just let you, just let you, just let you. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, dance. Feel it. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, dance, dance. You want to sing, Mommy?
No, thank you.
Huh.
I don't know the song.
You don't?
I've heard it, but I don't remember
My batteries are at 11.
I bet
In my zone.
that
Sunshine in my pocket. Come on, Mom.
I don't know the words.
like if I like the song and like it's new and everything, I try to sing it by the words.
I would always like a mumble.
And then I get to it.
Like the first time I heard Stressed Out, I seriously was in love. I always try to mumble the words. I played the song over and over and over because I love 21 Pilots. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, dance, dance. We're dancing. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance. Okay, so we're stopping at the gas
That's
station.
crazy. There's Little Caesars here.
Yeah, that's
so
awesome.
cool.
The pizza we had was better. That wasn't Little Caesars.
That was?
That wasn't.
Oh.
That's way better than Little Caesars.
Yeah. Like, I love their like little square boots.
Can't stop though. Can't stop the feeling. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance. to dance, 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 dance. Keep dancing. Keep dancing. Party. 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 Okay, so guys, I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to make a second part, which I will make as soon as I end this video. So see you guys. Cycle
Second part.
1000 out. Peace out, and please subscribe and comment and like.
And we will get you when we're back at the house.
We will.
Yeah.
See you guys. Cycle 1000 out. Pink Panda Love out.
Out.
Peace out, guys.
Peace.
And always be a predator. Oh.